Welcome to another online science assembly. Today we are going to discuss about the nature of light.
What is light?
Good question. Visible light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be seen by the human eye.
However, visible light is only one small part of electromagnetic spectrum.
This is ultraviolet light. Its wavelengths are too short for humans to see. However, it can cause certain objects to glow.
Insects can see in ultraviolet light. So, a flower that looks like this to us actually looks like this to an insect.
Light travels at different speeds through different objects.
Here is a tub of water. Watch what happens when I dip the ruler into the water.
The ruler appears to bend. Why?
It is because light travels through water slightly slower than air and therefore changes the appearance of the object.
This is called refraction.
Of course it is. The changing amount of light that gives us our four fabulous seasons, which show, of course,
autumn! When the daylight hours shorten and the leaves on the trees turn a beautiful brown. Winter! When the temperature drops and some animals hibernate. Spring! When hibernating animals awaken and flowers begin to bloom. And finally, what? Chill, it's summertime.
There is an infrared light. Its wavelengths are too long for humans to see.
However, infrared lights emit heat.
So an image that looks like this to a human
Looks like this in infrared light.
This allows humans to see in the dark using infrared cameras.
But how do you see objects?
We see anything because the light reflects off the object. Here, first the light from the candle reflects off the ball, then travels to the cat's eyes.
light travels in waves. We can demonstrate this with this slinky. See how the energy travels up and down the slinky. When you turn on the light appears instant. But it isn't. Nothing is instant. Light has to travel.
Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It travels at an astonishing speed of 299,792,458 meters per second in a vacuum.
Plants also need light. They create energy from it in a process called photosynthesis.
Light takes just over 1 second to reach your eye from the moon. So when you see the moon, you're looking at it as it appeared just over 1 second ago.
The sun's light takes up to 8 minutes to reach Earth. If the sun were to stop shining, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes.
And remember, never look at the sun directly.
When you see Mercury, you see how it was 3 to 6 minutes ago, depending on where it was on its orbit of our sun.
We see Venus as it was between 2 and 14 minutes ago, depending where it is on its orbit of the sun.
Mars as it was between 3 and 22 minutes ago.
For the gas giants, it takes on an average 43 minutes for the light that reflects from Jupiter to reach us.
1 hour and 21 minutes from Saturn.
Nearly 3 hours from Uranus.
And finally 4 hours and 11 minutes from Neptune.
We are currently living in the age of light in our universe. 95% of stars that will ever exist have already been made. In 5 billion years' time, our own sun will run out of energy to shine.
So we must be grateful for light for allowing us to see.
For the plants and flowers that it grows.
And for the warmth that it brings. For the secrets it helps unlock from stars and planets many light years from us.
And for giving us the opportunity to live on our wonderful earth. Thank you for watching.